Hi, good evening. Here in this video I will show you how to active your account. So after you do the registration and to log into your account, so first of all you go to wallet, okay? After you go to wallet, you click in added money. After added money, you choose the package or the amount you need to invest, for example $10,000 like this, and you click in the blue schedule via coin payment, the blue, okay, sorry. So you put here and they give you the method via the coin payment how you can do your payment, okay, and you choose the good way for you, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tron, USDT or Ether USDT. So the easy way, if you have Bitcoin or Ethereum or anything, is prefer to sell it in the platform and choose the TRC20, okay, and you make a complete checkout. So you choose the TRC20 is the good way. After that, complete checkout. So when you do that complete checkout, they give you should to respect three things. So first of all, time left. This wallet for refund your account for 2 hours. So you should to do this operation and use this address wallet for the coin payment just for 2 hours. If you make it after 2 hours, your refund will be blocked. So this is the first criteria. First criteria, the time left, and you take copy for this address wallet and you go to your platform or your wallet and refund in this address wallet and the coin payment. So second thing and important thing, like you see, amount remaining. They given you to send $10,000.9295. So you should also to select this amount like this, okay, and do copy and go to your wallet or your platform and do paste plus the fees of your transaction. Depend the platform, because some platforms need just $1, some platforms need more than $1, okay? So for example, if you have Binance, you can copy this amount like this, okay, and added just $1 because the phases in Binance just $1. You copy this amount, and when you want to transfer the amount, you do paste plus $1.